Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. I want you all to make note of this. This is hot water. I'm going to fill this up about halfway. I'm going to sit this container of oil in here while I talk to you all. So today I want to share with you an Ayurvedic method of healing called oil pulling. It's been around for 3,000 years. I've been doing it for the past 3 years. And I do see a benefit. That's why I'm bringing it to you all, so you can at least try it for a week. So what it is I want you all to start off with a teaspoon of oil. It can be sesame oil, sunflower, or coconut oil, which is my preference. That's all I use. So this is the coconut oil I use. I get it from Trader Joe's. Not Trader Joe's, Costco. It's $13.99. And this is this big container. And it's a thick consistency, but if your house is warm, it becomes liquid. When it's colder, it solidifies. So this is what it looks like. So it was upstairs in my bathroom, and it's kind of cold in there because it's summertime and I had the air on. So I put it in this hot water so that it can liquefy. Because I'm going to tell you all, it is not a good feeling taking a teaspoon of solidified oil. Don't even try it. Just do the liquid formula. So you see how it's getting liquefied? That's perfect for me. So what I would like for you all to try is a teaspoon of oil of your preference. Coconut oil is mine. Put it in your mouth and swish it around for 10 minutes. Switch it around for 10 minutes. I do it for 20 minutes, but I've been doing it for a long time. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to come back in 20 minutes. While it's in your mouth, you'll be able to learn how to swallow. So you fill your mouth with the oil, and you put your tongue at the roof of your mouth. And you use your back muscles to swallow. You may not have to swallow, but I do. Fill your jaws up, and then swallow. But the oil does not go down your throat. Do not swallow any of the oil. That is so key because it's full of bacteria. That's the point. It pulls all of this bacteria out of your mouth. So, as I say, let's do this. This is my personal container. I keep it upstairs. Nobody uses this. So I got myself together. I know you all are wondering, why does she have on a robe and a scarf? I have that on because oil pulling is the first thing that I do in the morning. Before I drink any water, anything. It's the first thing I do, and I'm on an empty stomach, no food. So that's why you saw me looking like that before. You all want to know something funny? So I know that my husband does not like oil pulling. He does not like the sensation of the oil in his mouth. So I'm going to try to see if he'll do it this time for the camera. Or at least for me, for you. We'll see. He probably won't, but this is going to be too funny. Hey there.
Hey there.
So I made the video with the oil pulling.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Will you try it?
Will I try it now?
Yeah. Oh, God. Will you try it now?
Oh, my God. Okay.
You will? Okay. I'm going to give you a teaspoon.
Okay.
Here.
Wait, let me get my coffee ready.
Get your coffee ready. You don't swallow it. What's coffee got to do with
That's
it?
going to be all up in my mouth, jamming my taste buds up. Just hold on a second. So, wait, how long do I have to keep it in?
Try for 5 minutes for you.
No, thank you.
Okay. How long can you try
no,
it for?
thanks. I'll give you 1 minute.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, 1 minute.
This is mine.
Which one's yours?
I already took mine. This is my container.
So what do I do with this now?
You put it in your mouth and you swish it. How long are you gonna do it for? I'm gonna set the timer.
I'll give you 2 minutes.
It's not a race. Come here. You set the timer.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so proud of you. I thought he was gonna say no. I thought you. It's okay. I'm so proud of you. You gonna be mad at me?
Mm-mm.
So the good news about this is while you're oil pulling, if other people are in the house, they can't talk to you. Or at least you can't respond, so it becomes a quiet time for you. Okay, and after he's done with his time, he has to spit it out in the trash. You don't spit it out in the toilet because it'll clog the drain over time. Spit it in the trash can. It'll be full of bacteria. It's very, very beneficial. So some of the benefits that I got was I see my teeth whitening, and they feel like slippery and smooth. Very smooth, and they're shiny. Like white patent leather. It's the weirdest thing. It's almost like you can see your reflection in your teeth. They're so shiny. See my teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. How's it doing?
Mm-hmm.
He has never done this, you all. Never. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to put that on pause. I told y'all it was going to be funny. So we'll come back. He's doing well. Okay. So I did some research, and from the research, he spit it out. Okay, that's enough. So go upstairs, brush your teeth, rinse your mouth out. And that's oil pulling. Thank you for your demonstration. So I want you all to do the same, or at least try. You see, we got somebody willing. So I want you to be willing to try it. Be a study for one, try it on yourself. But I want to tell you really quickly the benefits. So it gets rid of gingivitis, helps get rid of it, freshens your breath, boosts your immune system because it's pulling the toxins out of your body. I don't know how that happens, but it does, according to Facts Health. Whitens the teeth, acts as a mouthwash with no chemicals, aids in detoxifying the body, increases your energy level, prevents cavities, and breaks down biofilms. So I really want to reiterate two of the benefits that they talked about. One of them being, how can oil pulling increase your energy level? How can that be? So Facty Health says, when our body is overloaded with toxins or working overtime to eliminate them and we feel drained, right? Trying to get rid of the toxins. Our body's working hard. By eliminating toxins through coconut oil pulling, you give your body a chance to slow down. The practice gives your body a chance to focus on other areas where toxins may have built up, thereby helping your body to catch up and gain more energy. I can see that if I'm oil pulling for 20 minutes, other parts of the body aren't working, and I spit it out, the toxins are gone. I got that. Okay. Hopefully you got it. The other one that I really want to know about is how it aids in detoxifying the body. So this is what Facty Health says. Detoxifying is carried out by certain organs in the body and can be helped along through healthy eating and other healthy practices. So we got to really be careful about what we put in our body, what we eat, what goes down our gut. Our mouths are one of the many gateways where bad bacteria enter the body and infiltrate the gut. But the latter is also a good place to begin the exodus of bad bacteria. When you use coconut oil to remove germs from the mouth and spit them out, and prevent germs from spreading to the gut. So we spit it out, it does not go into our system through our stomachs. You increase immunity and facilitate detoxification. We can do that 10 to 20 minutes a day. Try to get it in. I hope you found this intriguing, interesting, something that you'd like to try. So peace and blessings. I'd like for you to subscribe, share, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you next time on Changes for a Lifetime.